Don't you miss this boat, oh Babu, don't you miss this chance to see the greatest show on earth, this magic. अबे इसको तीन, उसके आगे से, उस्ताद आज शो नहीं करते बहुत मेरे बाबा ने आगे ये उनका पैसा वसूल करना होगा।
उस्ताद आपका कैरेक्टर बढ़िया है, दारू भी दिया मुझे, दारू मैंने कैसे आया था?
दारू मुझे कुछ दिया तो था।
अबे वो रावण ले गया, रावण को बोल लिया था उसने। अबे रावण ने बोल, अबे ऑडियंस में क्या कर रहा? अबे जाओ यार रावण क्या यार उस्ताद हर बार लेके भाग जाता है।
क्या है?
दारू है ना रावण तेरे पास?
हाँ है। तीन।
ये देख भाग गया।
अरे उस्ताद मेरे को ऐसे बुरे आदमी बोल क्यों देते हो? अरे भैया कर लो आज कर लो, अपनी बॉडी बनाइए, पंद्रह दिन ला रहे बुरे आदमी बोल क्यों देते हो? अरे भैया शो खत्म के बाद तब उतार लो।
ये जिम में करने का नॉट है, दिस इज नॉट इवन ब्रांडेड।
अरे मेरी माँ ऑडियंस आ गई है, प्लीज फॉर टुडे जस्ट टुडे ऑपरेट थैंक यू
उस्ताद आज नहीं।
नो नो उस्ताद द शो मस्ट गो ऑन एग्जैक्टली द शो मस्ट गो ऑन
उस्ताद दारू मांगता है।
हाँ हाँ दस स्विंग में रखा
ए क्या है रावण?
हाँ उस्ताद वी हैड सो मच फन लास्ट टाइम
Yes, yes.
सॉन्ग एंड द डांस सीक्वेंस आई नो लेट्स हैव द फन दिस टाइम अगेन ओके 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 ओए चेक आउट
उस्ताद गोल्डन क्या है?
गोल्डन है घूमना है यार इधर घूमना है
एकदम उस्ताद।
ओके वेरी गुड वेरी गुड
देखो उस्ताद ठीक है।
हाँ सुपर नहीं करते अरे हाँ अरे आज तक से लोग आए भाई देखने को तेरे को खास तेरे को अरे एकदम झटक उस्ताद उस्ताद बाबू जी का भी सब आ गए बात करो नमस्ते बाबू जी रियली सॉरी वी गॉट लिटिल बिट लेट ओके वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ हाँ hey रेडी क्या रेडी Lights ready, camera ready, action ready. Okay, सब ready. Lights off. Lights, camera, action. Don't you miss this boat, oh Babu. Don't you miss this chance. See the greatest show on earth, this magic wand dance. Past, present and future friends are all in my hand. I can make them come alive with my magic wand. History, mystery, a simple tale are all in my bag. Any scoop you want, listen, gossip or a gag. We are ordering through companies and we discover our show anywhere. Open field marketplaces, even in front of government offices. But listen friends, this time we are performing in front of a very distinguished audience. Look at all these people, cream of the society, sitting on the edge of their seats, waiting for our show to begin. Deserve to see the best and nothing but the best. Babuji, we live in a holy land. Religion, I mean, is deeply rooted in our hearts and minds. All of you know about Ramayana and Mahabharata. All of you also know about Ram and Sita. Yes, they happen to be the hero and heroine of Ramayana. But we will talk about an ordinary man. Actually, demon. Yes, Mariji is there. Yes, Babuji. See, our show today is about this very demon Marij. Marij, the legend. But legend and myths are not everybody's cup of tea. So I will spice it up a bit with tales of joys and sorrows. She yours and mine. So let me tell you the story. Sister Surpanka to Ravan was dear, but Lakshman's knife left her by the nose and ear. Tremble in rage, Ravan raised the head, massing his army. But sister to avenge. So Kalini pulled him down with his clever advice. Punish Ram and then Sita. That will be wise. Marij is master in illusion and disguise. So let's go and ask him for his help in our fight. So he goes to fetch Marich to work out this clever scheme. Marich was in real trouble, in ways he couldn't dream. So ladies and gentlemen, Babuji, your names are Dil Thangavete, because Marich the legend is coming on the scene. Keep your eyes open, keep your hearts clean. The greatest ever story that anybody can tell. Bhanumati ka khela babu chali ka khel. Start now.
Marich! Who dares pronounce my name in this fashion? Who dares interrupt my meditation?
This is not the time for meditation, Marich. When disaster knocks at the very doorsteps of the Demon King, on a very special errand have I come. Race or moving, come with me right away.
How can I forsake my sacred rights? How can I set myself to anything new before I have achieved my life's noblest goal?
Marich! It is a command and you must obey.
Marich is not a slave for anyone to command. Under no one's rule, receiving charity from no one's hand. Doesn't need to bow for benediction. I live with my own vocation. Look up only to my personal deity and no other creature, however high and mighty.
There is another God, Marich, that everyone must look up to. Any descendant of the demon seed, whether in heaven, earth, or in hell, by his birth must swear allegiance to Ravan, the Lord of Lanka, who in battle has a tree for men vanquished. The Lord and Master of the demon race, Ravan himself, has remembered you, Marich.
I don't live within the limits of this territorial kingdom. Long ago I came away, forsaking the pleasures of the royal court, the bustle of the city, the royal revelry, the frothy fountain of life, opting for this self-exile. Why does he remember me after so long? What need has he for this poor, unfortunate?
Now we come to Marich the demon, born from the womb of Tadka the demoness. When Rishi Munis sat for their evening prayer, Tadka had to drop in and give them a scare. So the helpless Rishi sought for the aid of Ram and Lakshman. The gallant brother shot down the menacing demon. Marich was misled on a windy flight to the land of Lanka. What a poor sight. The arrow-stricken Marich by Ravan was said. To the wounded one, a fresh life he gave. Marich then left the shelter of Ravan and went to the green depths of the deep jungle. Praying to God, Marich got the power. Impersonate anyone, any shape acquire.
There is me. Only you can help. Of course you hear everything. Hurry hence with me.
No. Impossible to abandon this sacred spot. But I must strive until my life's goal I achieve.
Here then, by the great Ravan needs you so. His sister Surpanakha, so well beloved by us all, has been humiliated at the hands of some mere mortals. Suffered such shame. Her offer of love rejected with such carelessness, with such contempt, by the sworn arrogance of those human trash. That's not all. Disfiguring her ears and nose, they have subjected her to such degradation. Those brazen brats of the human race.
Who is this human who has thus charmed our Surpanakha's heart? Who the daring mortal who could rip off such a beauty of our clan?
My tongue is loath to utter the name. My body bristles in rage. Where your curiosity I tell, it's none other than the lowly Ram.
Ramchandra?
Not he alone. His insane younger brother Lakshman has heaped insults upon her. By the point of his infallible arrow, has claimed the respect and dignity.
Ramchandra!
Marich! Are you so unmoved even now? Where are the sparks of fire in your eyes? Done in your blood, born in your veins the flames of vengeance. How can your righteous wrath slumber in the face of such an outrageous challenge? The name of Lanka is today ground in the dust, and you keep silent, speaking to me of your meditation. What do you want, Mr. Khan? Does you not know your bed?
I was born in this demon clan, but the day I saw his glory in the Hermitage Garden, I offered him my devotion.
What is that you say?
Out of windball missile, shot from his bowstring, made all the demon blood gush from his veins. Even today, the memory of that god enough!
I have no ear for such eloquent praise of that vile human or a demon tongue. Listen, Marich, it's all been settled. Ravan plans to abduct Sita, the beloved wife of that Ram.
So that's what he wants, to make them pay for Supernaka sins? Who in the name of God asked her to offer her love so shamelessly? A human has rejected the advances of a demon damsel. I see nothing else there.
Wonderful! Truly wonderful! You are so enamored of the human race that you find fault only with us. But keep this in mind, Marich! Whoever the hero you adore, never mind! You cannot ever disregard the command of Ravan.
The Lord of Lanka is so enraged. Why does he not face them in open battle? No doubt of daring fighters amongst us demons. How can I be of any service?
No, no! A fight this way will be the right thing now. Mere mortals, of course they are. Super beasts killed with bows and arrows are those two brothers. Therefore, through this devious scheme, has Ravan planned to abduct Ram's life.
No!
You are the master of miraculous powers. With your skill in creating illusions, you will lure away the brothers Ram and Lakshmi.
No! No!
The swollen heads under the human seal will be without a fitting lesson.
No!
It's because the fascist police that we have seen this.
Yes! What is going on? Strategy police acting your dialogue?
But you think I'm going to eat?
Really sorry, Babuji. I forgot it. It won't happen anymore. Sorry, huh? Let's continue.
It is because of this fascist police that we have seen this black day. Those trash must be taught a fitting lesson. I say we let these murderers be the sting of pain for once. Why must we continue suffering in silence?
It is no ordinary silence that envelops me after crying. It is always inside of me. Cries quietly in pain.
Sister, I know your pain. I know the anguish you feel right now. But your thoughts must surely go to the people responsible for this!
Responsible? Was he responsible for being in that street at that time? Were those people who were throwing stones and nobody in particular responsible? The bullet which pierced his heart? Was the policeman who shot him responsible? All we are responsible for is our own lives.
Live our lives knowing that we have something which will keep our souls intact. Something which will make our lives count. We have faith, sister. Faith.
We have faith. We have faith that our small walls have a wall around them, which shields them from everybody else's. Zafar had faith that Kashmir would be peaceful again. I had faith in him. I don't have that anymore.
It pains me to hear you like this, Amita. You have a duty, my sister, to suffer. And to this family.